Do you hear that? We're getting a thunderstorm. December 29th. We're getting a thunderstorm. Look at it. I wouldn't call this thunder snow. This is crazy. I was on the couch relaxing. I did a lot of work today around the house. And I heard this banging. I was like, what is going on? I turn on the weather. I'm just like, that can't be thunder. I turn on the radar. Lo and behold, there's a thunderstorm. I'm seeing lightning too. I don't know if you can, I'll put this like this. Maybe you can see the lightning. I doubt it. You're going to catch it in the video. But I looked at the radar and there's a thunderstorm coming right for my area. You hear that? That's thunder. We're having freezing rain, sleet, hail, and thundering lightning. I was telling my brother-in-law earlier today. He's from the South. I said, in Connecticut, the famous saying is, if you don't like the weather, wait a couple minutes. Totally true. It's crazy because over there, it's all like, it's all weird colored sky. Oh, imagine if we had a tornado right now. That would be quite funny. My wife is supposed to be home by now, and she hasn't come home. And she's saying it was snowing up in Barkhamsted, and she's in Barkhamsted area. And she said it was snowing up there. I just heard on the Weather Channel it was snowing. I've been working on the house all day today, so I haven't really looked at anything. But I tell you what, crazy weather today. It's been raining all day. I get up from the couch, look outside, and there's sleet, freezing rain, and hail all over the ground. And you can see it. But yeah, I don't know if I'll catch lightning on this. That's why I'm keeping it like this for everybody to see. Yeah, a damn CT guy. I forgot to open like that, but crazy, man. Crazy weather. We had some pretty big booms of thunder. I don't know if you hear it. Hear that? You see it falling? That's like freezing rain and hail. Whoa! Listen. That's gonna be loud. This storm's almost on us too. It's coming right for my house. Where's the thunder? I'll stay quiet. I know you heard that one. Oh man, I get so excited with weather. I love it. Listen. See? Look. Show you that thunderstorm. You can see right along the Route 8 corridor all of these cloud to ground lightning strikes. It's right where I am. Just to the north and east of Waterbury. We'll take a closer look right now, and you can see this dark red color moving into Wolcott. It's gonna just miss us. And moving through Prospect, there's pea-sized tail up to dime-sized tail associated with this. And I am seeing some signs of the cell strengthening. I don't have the lightning overlaid on this right now, but I can tell you there's a lot of lightning associated with this cell. Moving right? This is like July. It's not. It's December 30th. So be on the lookout for this. And again, we'll emphasize this again. Lightning in the winter months is just as dangerous as it is in the summer months. So just be mindful of that if you are trying to take a look at it. But we have been getting a lot of reports from people outside saying, hey, I'm hearing this sonic boom or this big boom outside. What is it? And it's thunder that's actually occurring, and you can hear it from a large distance away.
Anyway, I don't know, I get all amped about this kind of stuff. I love weather. I love it. You know, some of my videos are about that. I had tornado stuff and everything. You got all the hail. Sleet, hail accumulating. Wow. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm going to shut this video off. Hey, damn CT guy. Signing off.